Hi, do you know the mechanism of action of Tirzepatide, which is also known by its trade names Mounjaro or Zepbound? Tirzepatide acts as a GLP-1 and GIP mimetic, which means it acts through the same mechanisms as these two hormones which are produced in our bodies. GLP-1 and GIP both belong to a group of hormones called incretins. In the previous video on the mechanism of action of semaglutide, I described how GLP-1 reduces body weight. GIP is produced by specialized cells called the K cells. The K cells are found in the duodenum and first part of the jejunum. The duodenum and the jejunum are the upper parts of the small intestine. Once GIP is produced by the K cells, it enters the bloodstream and travels to its sites of action along with GLP-1. For GIP, it acts on two body parts. Firstly, it acts on the brain and specifically on an area of the brain called the hypothalamus to increase satiety, which means making the person feel fuller, and to reduce appetite. It also acts on the fat stores where it leads to the breakdown of lipids, which results in an increase in heat production and energy expenditure. The combined effects of GLP-1 and GIP at the same time leads to a greater weight loss than either of these hormones acting on its own. Since tirzepatide mimics both GLP-1 and GIP, it produces a greater weight loss compared to semaglutide, which only mimics GLP-1. This has been shown in a large real-world comparative study which included 18,000 US adults using either tirzepatide or semaglutide. After 12 months of use of the drugs, mean weight loss was 15.3% with tirzepatide versus 8.3% with semaglutide, which is a difference of 7 percentage points.